So well guys, all the passengers almost inside. I'm waiting for few passengers. They are coming from there. So we before in getting inside, like I need to make sure that everyone is inside. Then we'll count the passenger, how many passenger we have, and then I can leave. Okay. All right. The bus is started. I think I should go now. Well guys, I'm going inside this hotel where refreshment is waiting for me, and I'm very hungry because I did not eat anything before coming. So this is what the hotels look like. Wow, it's a wall of wood. It's beautiful. Nice. Yeah, this side. Some view of a hotel from outside. Beautiful.
Yeah, so I spoke to my boss at the pier, and then he said that he wasn't told anything from the ship. So he immediately called the hotel, and then they...
So guys, I'm going inside. People are standing in the queue and they are waiting for their turn for waffles and coffee. So guys, this is what I'm eating today. Waffles, cream, water, coffee, everything. Well guys, I am in a restaurant and I have, after everyone eat, we can go ahead and eat. I mean take the food. I can eat with them also. It's not like, but after everyone have taken the food, then only, because I am assisting them. I'm a assistant guide, you can say. So this is what I've taken it, waffles, and I got the special hot chocolate. So I'm gonna eat not a Belgian waffle, a Norway waffles. So let me see how this tastes like. I'm just having a waffle now. Okay. So one thing is that having a waffle just like that is not tasty. So now I need to try with the berry jam. This is the berry jam. Still okay. And there is a cream. So guys, and this is my hot chocolate. So guys, I'll have my breakfast and then I'll switch on the camera and I'll tell you what next I'm gonna do. Okay, bye. Well guys, this is our next stop where our guide is going to take us for a photo. You see, everyone is going. There's a beautiful view where we're gonna click pictures, and I'm gonna put all the pictures on my Insta. If you don't know my Insta ID is Goldie Believe. Yeah, it's Goldie Believe. So, and I'll make a video also. Okay. Now the best part right now is the sun is out. Okay, so it's not that cold. Before it was very chilling, and but it was raining. You can see it's all wet. You have patches of water, and you can see a lot of cars. So basically this is a very good tourist spot. Okay, now let me pan and see much better and more beautiful. So I'm panning the camera. I have panned the camera. There's our guide. So he's saying like half go this side, half go this side, and rest follow me.
We still eat them. Yeah. We still.
Something that's gone on for years.
So I'll go down the step.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we still do, and like when you go to the supermarket, whale meat is actually.
So I've decided to take the upper one. There's a now the stiff also, the flatter one, and there's one which goes up. So the flatter one is for those like who has problem with walking and all, because we always get old passengers, and it's not that high, but still it's good. Oh God, no way, no way, Norway, no way. Oh, 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 oh. You know, I was in Alaska, and there was a Norwegian woman traveling with us, and I said like, Alaska is so beautiful. She said yes it is, but wait till you get to Norway, you'll say it is only 10%. I did not believe her, but now when I'm in Norway, oh God, I cannot explain in words. Look at this. Can't be real. Wow. Okay, let us zoom it. Ooh. So we have only 10 minutes over here to click pictures. And there are some people fishing. I'll see whether I can go down and fish around. So I can actually, but I don't know whether I have that much time or not, but who cares? Let's go. You are here for adventure. Let's have an adventure. So I'm going down only for you guys to check which fish they are catching, and if I'm lucky, so I'll show you the fishes also what they are catching. Coming up will be a problem for me, I guess. Oh, there's the stairs. Okay. So I don't have much time. I just want to quickly go down and come back, okay? But I'm keeping my camera on. Let me check whether they are not leaving me, because I don't want to stuck to Norway. Trondheim. Okay, the place name is Trondheim, and the place where I visited had a breakfast. It was Surmmraøy Island, and these are the locals, I guess, not tourists, and they are doing a fishing. So hopefully, before my passenger leave me behind. There are girls, they are beautiful, and they're fishing. Did you catch any? Not yet? You're on YouTube now.
No thanks. No thanks.
No thanks. Okay. So guys, I am going back in the ship. The oxygen is very less. I came running upstairs. Oh God. Oh no, sorry. We're back in the bus. Okay.
Sami village with a magic front to, you know, answer your questions and things like that. So yeah, and we still have a lot of Sami people. I mean, they don't live like in the old days. They're not running around with the reindeer.
Hey guys, I'm back to the ship. Okay, it was good, excellent tour, and it's free, so it is excellent. So I'll get you in some other tour. Bye from Cruising with Goldie.